dear friends, thank you for coming. Today we're gonna work on the Art Impressions dog twist ties. This is a really cute set that I found, and it comes with the dies and of course the clear stamps, and it has 2 dogs and 1 sentiment, and also in the back it has the instructions how to make it. Okay, from the cutting part, the scoring part, and the stamping part, and how to finish it. So this is one that I made. Look at this. I just followed the instructions from that, and it opens in the middle. So, and here's the part that I like. So you twist the little heads and it's tied. It's really cute. And let's open it again and twist them and untie them, and then you can write anything you want in the center. So let's begin. So first, the instructions are saying to cut a base. The base is going to be of 9.5 inches by 5.5 inches. Okay, so when we're done cutting the base, we're going to score. It has 2 scoring lines, one at 2 3/4 and the second scoring line at 7 inches. If you don't have a scoring board, you can use a ruler and a bone folder, or if you don't have a bone folder, you can use a pen that has no ink in it. Okay, so I'm scoring it. Oops, okay, here we go. So now, after I score on the board, I'd like to score or fold it really nice with my hands and a bone folder. Okay, after we're done, now we are ready for the next step. And let me do a little bit more. Okay, so here are the stamps, and they have like a guiding system. So first, let's keep in mind that one side is wider than the other one. Okay, it's always the left side that is wider, and that is a good thing because that is going to make the card to fold in the middle. So now, the funniest part or the good thing about these stamps is that they have a guide in the bottom, and I will show you how it works. Okay, so the guide is going to make us, or is going to let us stamp in the right side. It has an L shape, you can see it here, and it's in the bottom. Of course, you don't put any ink on that. Let me show you what I did here. I put the ink and the L on the guiding part, and it messed up my work. What a cute little guy. Anyway, so let's do it. Let's put our base. Okay, remember, wide on the left. So, and we want our puppy to go in that side. Okay, so let me show you what it's gonna happen if we don't put the puppy or the stamp on the right side of the cardstock. Look at this. If you don't do it right, the guides are not going to align with the bottom corner. You see? It needs to align with the corner. Yay, so now I know I have the puppy on the wrong side of my cardstock. Now I move it, and now I have it. You see? And now we need to be sure that the puppy is on the very edge, enough to show the line, the stamping line, but not too far from the edge. So I'm placing it there. Okay, and ink. Remember not to ink the guide part. Okay, so now ink, and you see it's right at the edge. So let me ink it again so it will be darker. Now we have it. Now we turn it upside down. We turn the cardstock upside down, and we do the next puppy or the next stamp. And again, be sure that you align your guide with the bottom edge, or the top edge in this case, of the cardstock. Okay, ink it, don't ink the guideline. Ink it again if you need to, and done. Let me get it out of here and let me show you. They are clear at the edge. Okay, you can still see the lines. Well, the next step is to cut it. So also there's a guide for that. So you see there's a flat side on the heart, on the shape, you see. So that edge, you align it with the edge of your cardstock, and of course you align it also with the stamp. Okay, secure it, put it on the platform, sandwich it, and take it through. Okay, so once you remove all the security, the tapes, and you see that it's all done. There's a little bump there that bothers me. If you get a bump there and it's okay with you, just leave it there. For me, I'm a little picky, so I will cut it round. It's just a little pinch. There we go. So now we do the same thing with the other side, or with the other puppy. Align, secure, sandwich, and cut it through. And now we have it done. Let me turn it and look at this. That is really, really cute. Let's twist it, and cute. Now let's decorate it, or let's paint it. I use Spectrum Noir markers. I like them, as well as Copic. So this is my TN1. That's gonna be the base color, and then the next one, the next color is gonna be the TN3, and the next one TN5. Okay, you can use any medium, any color. You want to use watercolors, you want to use markers that are not alcohol, that's fine. Even coloring pencils, anything you want to color them. In this case, I'm just gonna use it to these markers, so they won't get dry in my rack. Okay, so once you're done with the shades and lights, and you're done, you do this for the other puppy too. So in this case, what I did, I finished the other puppy, and I also used my markers to do a background. Okay, and I put a cardstock on the base, so when I close it, it shows a little heart through. Okay, now I like to decorate it, and don't forget the sentiment. So what I did, I put some foam tape on the back of the sentiment to give a little dimension. Also, I used my old punch to make little flowers, tulips, and also another punch to make butterflies. So let's decorate it. So let's put the tulips. It's very simple. You don't need to go way fancy, just simple, or if you want to go fancy, go fancy. So I like to make the butterflies dimensions. So what I do, I use the edge of my fingernail, and be sure to put it by where the belly would go, and with my other finger I fold it. You see, you can see the fold there. So now one wing is up. Do the same thing, follow the shape of my fingernail, put it on the belly, push it, and now I have a butterfly with the wings up. Okay, if you don't want to do that, that's okay. So be sure just to put glue, if you're doing this, in the belly only, not in the wings. Okay, only on the belly of the butterfly, so then your wings can be up. Okay, at this point, if you want, you can add some other embellishments. I'm going to use just a regular black gel pen and do some lines, so to give movement to the butterfly, as if the butterfly was kind of flying around like that, or you know. And this one too. And if you want, you can make some grass too. Just do lines, different sizes, pointing anywhere, everywhere. And you can make just a simple patch, or you can make it more like an S shape, anything you want. And now we twist, and it's tied. Look at this, it's so cute. Okay, now let me show you the first one that I was showing at the beginning. I didn't do I stamped the sentiment right straight on the paper, and then I put two heads of the puppies there to give it a little cute little thingy. Okay, and now let's twist and tie them. And also, if you don't want to do the one in the middle, you just can still stamp them and twist them, and then just use it as a regular cardstock or a regular card, greeting card. I made this like a shaky thingy, and that's it. And thank you so much for visiting, and don't forget, we like to hear from you, and also give us a like in Facebook. You can find us as Yaya Gifts 1. And also, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to see our newest videos. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.